love this day. Oh, it's so scary. A big giant one's scary as hay. Oh, I thought that was a loud one. Ooh. I'm gonna try to see if I can spend the night with my aunt. And Roman, I hope you see this. Roman at Woods. And also Dell at Woods and Jacksepticeye and stuff like that. Hope y'all see this. And also PewDiePie and Markiplier. Especially Markiplier. Roman, jump off a freaking roof this year with the bicycle. And Roman, I'm glad you got your son back. Oh, dang. Ones that are high or loud. Pretty. Hope y'all can see this, but y'all can. Uh-oh, here comes the last ending, I think. I mean, I was gonna film it, but then I forgot. And then now we're like almost at the middle of the end, whatever. I'm liking it. Whoa. Shh. I hope this is not loud for y'all. I hope y'all like this, and I hope I get a lot of likes. I'm also a gamer, so I might show some gaming videos, but I just need help on trying to get it full screen on my Xbox to like go to full screen, so I just don't have to hold the camera there to like play it. I don't know how. Hope I don't have to pay you to do it. Hope y'all like it. I love it. And also I need help editing videos without a PC, because I ain't got a PC yet. I love the fireworks. Ow. Ooh. That is so pretty. Like, look, the blue. That is so pretty. My dad, he is screaming in the background. He doesn't scream, but he's like, oh! I hate those freaking loud ones. One of the first ones, freaking loud one, came out and scared the hay out of me. I just want to say the S word, which that means S-H-I-T. Mother fudger. Trying to get this all in for y'all. Today, July 4th, just to let y'all know. Trying to make sure I don't go to jail because I'm doing everybody's doing fireworks. Like October 15th or something like that. Or Jan. I live in Texas, so it ain't gonna be snowing. I mean, it snowed in a while. It hasn't. I hope y'all can hear me. Gosh. Scared the shiz out of me. The shizlets. Here comes the ending. I think this is the ending right now. Idiots in the background. Cool. Ugh, I hate the loud ones. Oh, that was pretty. Whoa, I should get a footage of that. Here's the ending right here. This is the ending, guys. That is so freaking pretty. Loud as hell, too. Like shit. Whoa. That's pretty. Wow. God. They're gonna have a freaking fire here. Turn this down if you're wearing headphones or something. I hope y'all can freaking hear me. You may want to turn your if you're wearing headphones, you may want to turn them down. Well, that was pretty as crap. Guys.